ready to go?
Yeah!
So what you will do there?
We are gonna enjoy! Let's have fun in water park! Yeah! This is the Sharjah Mosque. It is newly built mosque. Its design is resembled with famous Istanbul, Turkey mosque. And our way we saw the camels. Wow! So friends, we are going to Fujairah, Dibba. Beautiful mountains. Wonderful. So finally we reached Dibba, very beautiful place. We reached at our destination. This is Mirage Bab Al Bahar resort in Dibba, Fujairah. Woohoo! I'm so excited. Look, water park. We are arrived Mirage Bab Al Bahar Hotel. Look, everything. My father went for check-in. The reception area is very beautiful and big. Now we are going to our room. Lift has mountain view. Very beautiful. Welcome to our room. My father booked twin bedroom with balcony and sea view. Room is very beautiful and clean.
लाइट के लिए एक फैन लगा
This is sitting area. This is our balcony with open sea view. Very beautiful. I like it very much. Fridge. Quickly. Hello, we are going to water park and pool. Yeah! Finally, we are ready to explore the resort. This is the kids water park of the resort. My favorite place. I enjoyed here with my sister and family. Amazing place. enjoying in the water park. We are going to explore their beach, my sister's Ira favorite place. There are total 6 swimming pools, and there I enjoyed with my father and my sister. After exploring this, we went to our room and have some rest. After getting ready, we again ready to explore the resort. Then we went to bowling center. There I learned how to play with my father. Amazing experience.
It's our scoreboard.
After playing, we are feeling hungry and moved to restaurant to eat yummy food. There are so many varieties of main course, sweets, and for kids, there are kids meals also.
This is bread section.
We full of plates with yummy food and enjoyed our meal. Then we explored the arcade. There I played some games and enjoyed. We visited this resort on my parents' anniversary. They gave us complimentary cake.
फुजायरा का फेवरेट स्ट्रॉबेरी केक है क्या?
Is the beautiful sunrise from our balcony. Then again on second day we are ready to explore the resort and I am excited to play in water park.
Wow! Look at
This is the broad walk of the resort. From here you can see the beautiful sea and the mountain view of the resort. Very beautiful and stunning. Again I am at my favorite water park. After that we are going to Fujairah. This is the beautiful way with mountain and sea. Then we feel hungry, so we visited this restaurant in Fujairah. This is our starter with yummy drinks. This is very yummy, tasty and mouth-watering. Then we ordered main course with different kinds of breads. Food is very yummy and tasty. After enjoying the food, we explored the waterfall of Fujairah. Very beautiful place. I like this place. On way we explore Ashika Dam also. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. Thank you, friends.